Hello, good morning. It is February 10th. I don't know what date it is. It was February 10th, my 10th day on the trail. Leaving Blue Mountain Shelter around 8:30ish in the morning. And it's about 40-ish degrees, 42, something like that, just north of 40. And today I got a good 8 miles into, what's the name? Trey Mountain Shelter. And yeah, it's 2 big downs and 2 big ups, but I'm told it shouldn't be that bad. But I mean, hey, it's the Appalachian Trail. Where's bad? So as I walk directly into the sunlight, there we go. The wind has stopped blowing from yesterday, and slept pretty comfortably last night in the shelter. Old guy we just met at the shelter, Bulldog, he snored a lot, but I was able to get some sleep and went through my videos on YouTube, answered a bunch of comments. If I didn't answer your comment, I'm sorry. I'll get around to it when I have some better service, or when I get into Hiawassee in another 2 days. But other than that, I will show y'all some views on the top of these 2 mountains coming up. Alright, y'all have a great day. I know I will. Look at this. Like, this is the spring coming down, and it's kind of frozen, but the water is still flowing under it. So I don't know if I can break some of this ice and actually get a little flow going, because I would like some water, but there's supposed to be another spring on the other side of this mountain. So, we'll see. I just thought that was neat how it's flowing under there. Okay, so I am on top of the mountain right after Unicoi Gap. Didn't have any water halfway up this mountain. There was a nice little spring flowing into a stream. I was able to fill up on water. And now I'm just up here. This is the top of the first mountain I gotta climb today, and I guess the second one will be Trey, who's staying at Trey Mountain Shelter. But just look at that. Every which direction you look out, mountains, every which way. And I know I'm early in the season with it being February and the trees aren't full of leaves, but I mean, hey, at least I can look out amongst the trees and the limbs and see all those mountains out there. Yeah. Alright, so one more big down and one more big up, and that's it for today. Indian Grave Gap, and what's over there? Blue Blaze. AT picks up right across the way, and all I have left is up and over Trey Mountain today. Trey Mountain Shelter. 3 miles from here. And it is, what time is it? It is 1:33. So I gotta get there in 2 hours or so. Still trying to get to Trey. I'm close. And since the trail goes this way, I'm guessing it's gonna dip down right there. And that's Trey. Because, you know, that's the tallest thing around, so why wouldn't it be Trey, right? Which means the shelter is down a little bit from the top of Trey, so I'll probably going over there. I think. Possibly. Maybe. I got one way to find out. I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, it just came off the trail that way. This is Trey Mountain Gap, so I was right. That is Trey Mountain up there. I got 1.2 more miles to get into shelter. Trey Mountain Gap. Yeah, it's a big mud pit. But I'll go this way. Go over there. I'll see if I can zoom it in. But those are like these little ledges that trickle water down at night, or trickle water down, and they got frozen. And it's just like a whole little cliff of icicles. I'm on the top of Trey. Yes, I am. This mountain couldn't go up unless I like climb up on top of that bush. But look out that way. Yes, sir. That is something. See the blazes? There's no trees up here, so we put the blazes on the rocks. Look at that.